It is a very busy Saturday afternoon. I'm in Southampton city centre, I'm outside Hanover buildings, and I'm about to catch the Bluestar 1. But of course, this time we've got the brand new 25 plate Enviro 400 MMCs. Because obviously, when I first went on these, the first trip on it, the very first one I went on was absolutely whammed and packed with university students heading to the art gallery. So I've come on a quiet, well, not really a quiet day, but obviously a day where there's no lectures or lessons going on at uni. So hopefully it won't be as packed. So, came to Giddy Bridge, which is like sort of half, you could try and say halfway, still technically in the city centre. But basically what they've done is on the bus stop flag, you might be able to see, they've put for one branding, so the brand new branding for the Bluestar 1, they've actually put it on the bus stop flag. But it's not just on the flag either, they've also put it up like as the poster, and you can see, they've put them up on the information things. The only thing they haven't changed is the actual, it still says 1, but pretty cool. Yeah, right. Shit. one thing definitely noticing is it's definitely not as busy as it was when on the first day of operation. Because I should have brought a photo, but it was rammed on the top deck. And I don't think the old bus didn't have them, but the NSA just goes blank after a certain stop, until roundabout. Kinda reminds me of the SWR to 0 in the displays. M3. It will trigger again as we get towards Chandler's Ford Aster.
Little is only. Oh yeah.
Next stop, Hudson Farm Place. Next stop, Chandler's Ford Rail Station. Tap on, tap off users. Please remember to tap off before leaving the bus. Frian Hill.
Just realised here they've put so basically with the bus stops in Hampshire they put like these up. They've got Ents Bluestar, but this time they've actually put the one up for one for everyone, which is pretty cool. Now I'm not gonna lie, but the padding on these seats are actually like really good. And I also like the new Raquette and that, which is basically the same one as on the Enviro, on the 24 plate Enviro 400 NMCs. Phone's on 34%, so I might need to charge. Got USB-A and USB-C type chargers on board, so really cool. And there we go, phone's still charging. 1 hour, not bad for a charger. The bus stop? Well, I'm not gonna. Well, there we go. So just simply like this.
Next stop, St Thomas Church.
Simply like this. You push it. So yeah, there are buttons on the seats now, and which is pretty cool. And also, we've got at the seats, so at every seat, you've got USB-A and USB-C ports. Oh, the display's gone blank. Bluestar, if you're watching this, maybe like, if the display goes blank, or you're at a stop where there's not much information to produce, what I would recommend, like they do SWR do's, put the times on and that. So like when you're on any SWR service and you've got displays, instead of what Bluestar have done, leave it blank, you just have to time and that, obviously, and maybe the service, like service 1, blah blah blah. I'd say rather than just leave it blank. Got some good ALX for hundreds. Now, unlike the top deck, with the bottom deck you do have the bells, which you never had, but yeah, you cannot flip the seats up, but there are, but yeah, same facilities as as upstairs. What got grab handles, both dot matrix and digital. We've got ticketer, tap on, tap off. Got Hanover, and then this what's really new is the new cab. Well, the steering.
They have a hard life.
In cab CCTV.
You do well.
Oh,
That one there
also got flip up,
should work.
digitated.
This is going to Southampton, yes? Journey a little bit. It's quite nice now.
Get your own. And you would be calm with it. Well,
Till the ticket machine.
it's almost like they could never. It might just be.
And they'll probably say it's hard to say there's something about they could.
pretty sure we all seen when there's a new train, is the elbow test. Kind of difficult to do when someone isn't with me holding a camera. Which I don't think is why. Now, yeah, as I was saying, unfortunately we can't flip the seats up. Although what I do like is, rather than having this old previously to have that sort of style seating which wasn't always the comfiest. Instead, now you've got this brand new sort of style of seating. You know, that not really padded, that's more for gap, but still reasonably padded. So, we're back at Hanover Buildings, so that's fun. So, here are your new Enviro 400 MMCs, now running on the Bluestar 1 route between Southampton and Manchester.